Hey guys, about 2 months ago we posted a video about UMIDIGI Bison on our channel Tech Brothers. At that time we knew very little about this smartphone. For example, we didn't know about chipset, cameras and price. However, now the new phone is officially presented. The start of sales will take place on October 16th. The price will be only $150. I think UMIDIGI Bison is the best budget rugged smartphone in 2020, and you should definitely know about it. I'm sure you will want to buy this smartphone as much as I do. Okay, let me tell you about its features. First of all, UMIDIGI Bison is a rugged phone. It means that it is waterproof, dustproof and shockproof by IP68 and IP69K standards. From one side, that's very good, because it is difficult to damage the mobile device. However, it makes the phone large and heavy. The dimensions are 80 by 162 mm. The thickness is 12.8 mm. The weight is 250 grams. Rugged phone is not for everyone. However, UMIDIGI Bison looks very nice. It has 6.3-inch display with Full HD resolution and water drop notch. On the back there is quad camera and a large LED flashlight. You can also see Bison logo in the center. The smartphone is available in two colors, yellow and orange. However, the main body is always black. If you are looking for fingerprint reader, it is located on the right side. Also, there are two customizable buttons on the left and right panels. You can assign push-to-talk, underwater camera, screenshot, emergency call, and other functions on these buttons. By the way, did you notice 3 dots on the rear panel? This is Barometer. Design is not the only feature of the new UMIDIGI Bison smartphone. It also has quite good hardware. I want to recall you the price of this phone. Only $150. It is a budget mobile device, but it has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory with microSD support. UMIDIGI Bison is equipped with Helio P60 chipset. There is also information on official website that the new smartphone has a liquid cooling system 2.0. These are very impressive features for a budget smartphone. By the way, new UMIDIGI phone has NFC for contactless payments, and it runs on Android 10 operating system. As I already said, UMIDIGI Bison has quad camera on the rear panel, 48 megapixels primary sensor, 16 megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera, 5 megapixels depth camera, and 5 megapixels macro camera. On the front, there is 24 megapixels camera with f2.0 aperture. The cameras look very good, but I want to see real sample photos. They will be available only after official start of sales. Like many other rugged phones, UMIDIGI Bison has quite good battery, with capacity of 5000 mAh. Also, the new smartphone supports 18 watts fast charging. As I said at the beginning of this video, I'm very excited of UMIDIGI Bison, and I will definitely buy it when it goes on sale, October 16th. The price will be only $150. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. We will make unboxing and full review of this phone. Thank you for watching. See you soon.